Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. 2025 is off to an amazing start, okay? Y'all saw a couple days ago we had Birria tacos using these EZBombs, okay? Get y'all some. Go over to my TikTok showcase, get you some. Thank me later, okay? This saves you so much time and so much effort. Shout out to EZBombs, y'all. All right. Ooh, no. Okay. I'm hungry. It's early in the morning. You want hot sauce? Girl. Anyway, we got some easy burrito. These ain't burritos. These is egg rolls, okay? Get you one. You know I'm not finna eat all these. I should have got a knife, but I got a spoon. So we gonna use the spoon in here to cut it open. And cut it. Ooh, it's juicy. It's juicy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cheesy. I'm about to tear this shirt up, but it's gonna be worth it. All right. So I got some salsa and some sour cream down here. Ooh, get you some. It's hot. Ooh. We're gonna put us a little. I forgot the lime. Dang it. That's all right. Here, get you some. It's hot. Blow it now. Did you burn your mouth? I'm sorry. Okay, we're gonna put the napkin under it. Cause I just bought this shirt at Amazon. Chill. It's so cute. I wish I could have saw my daughter bite. It was cheesy and delicious. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Let me tell you something. This is fire. I got some cilantro and red onions in here. Mozzarella cheese, cojito cheese. Cojito, that's how you say it? Cojito. Some kind of Mexican cheese. And the Birria and the onions from the Birria. So good. Mmm. Mmm. Cheese pool. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 That's all I gotta say.
We didn't get to make them last time.
No, we didn't. Mm. This would have been all over my shirt. Mm-hmm. And the flavor the next day is even better than that. Even better. Cause you got to sit and marinate overnight. Oh my god. This is fun. Shout out to Dark and Lovely for hounding me about this Birria bomb for 6, 8, 10 months. I'm sorry it took Mama so long. My bad, sis. Get you some. Go ahead. I know it's good.
good breakfast.
Great breakfast.
Knocked out.
I ain't even took my meds today yet. Because I had to eat, bro.
Yeah.
This is Thursday. Y'all not getting this on Thursday, but still. If you know, you know. Anyway. Get you one. Fruit, that one for you, because it's extra crispy. That for you. Like all the flavors that's in there. Oh my god. You can taste the cinnamon. All the herbs. Sure. Oh. Just get you some. That's all. Just get it.
I'm gonna go get one of these.
Oh, I'm gonna put the link in the description. Yeah. That's a trick or follow. I'm gonna talk about a movie in just a second. I'm hungry, okay? Whew.
Excuse me.
I did it anyway. God dang it. I got early. Messed up my pretty new pink shirt. Tide Sticks, can you sponsor your girl? But listen, y'all. I don't know why I ain't bringing a roll of paper towels over here, cause, girl. It's so good. I got some sweet tea in here. All right, let me slow down. I got some in my food in my belly now. Let's talk about it. So, down to the Amazon Prime, I was watching Last Known Location. That's the name of it. And I guess our video stopped. Okay, don't worry about it. Last Known Location is on Prime. I low-key feel like I talked about this. Did I talk about it? No, I was trying to talk about it, and then my phone kept acting stupid. All right. So if I talked about this before, charge it to my brain because my heart is in the right place. All right. Amazon Prime, Last Known Location. It is a thriller, scary horror movie, however you want to describe it. The reason why I think it's scary is because it can happen in real life. So this person was kidnapping young ladies off the streets and putting them in their basement. Not in the fun basement like at Carol's house, but in the basement, okay? So when one girl is kidnapped, it's a black girl, and she gets put in the basement with this white girl who is already down there. Okay? I'm gonna eat. Hold on. The black girl wakes up. She's freaking out. Because she's like, where am I? What happened? Get off me. Leave me alone. And the lady is trying to tell her, hush, because you're going to make him come down here. She's trying to explain to her, or trying to ask her questions like, do you remember where you were? What's the last thing you remember? That kind of thing. The black girl is all dazed and confused. She's trying to figure out her last known location. Yada yada. So, a third girl gets kidnapped. And the guy she met on the dating app, she had just seen him. They had a good night or whatever. And she was supposed to come to work the next day. And he was supposed to meet her up there. And she didn't show up for work. And he didn't know where she lived. Because when they had their good time, it was at his house. They went on a date, but, you know, afterwards. Jeez. So, he went to the police. Of course, the police was looking at him crazy because they were like, y'all went on a date and now she's missing. Is you the problem? Like, they was really looking at him as a suspect because he was the last one to see her in public or whatever. I'm just laying the groundwork. I'm not going to tell you the movie. Because, baby, when I tell you it's some plot twist, I'm going to tell you this. He not the kidnapper. He not. But there's so many twisted turns. There's a plot twist towards the end that took me out of here. I was like, what? I did not see that coming. Ooh, child. But like I said, the reason why I think it's scary is because this kind of crap can happen. You know, you go to a bar, sit by yourself, have a little cocktail or whatever. You don't know if somebody's slipping stuff in your drinks. You don't know what the deal is, okay? And
Pay attention.
you got to pay attention to your surroundings. You got to pay attention to who handing you stuff. You got to pay attention to you jogging through the woods or jogging through wherever. Pay attention to your surroundings.
The bartenders be. Sometimes the bartenders be the ones.
Yeah.
Doing stuff.
For sure.
So.
Excuse me. But I needed that. Anyway, I know when I worked near UCF here in Florida, this guy at the bar created these coasters that ladies and whoever could put a drip of their drink on the coaster to test it for stuff. And I was like, it's kind of creepy that you had to do that, but also thank you. But I don't go out like that. I'm not a bar person. I don't drink like that. Like, it's crazy because I ordered some wine for my birthday and I drank some of it. And then I ordered some for New Year's and it's still sitting in the refrigerator. So yeah, it'll get drank eventually. But I'm just not a big drinker. And I don't like to be out of control. So that's my biggest thing. And I used to be the designated driver for people because I don't like to be out of control. It's only been maybe three times, maybe 4 that I've ever been intoxicated. Yeah. Maybe 3. I don't even think it's that. Yeah. So, long and short of it, keep yourself safe out there, please.
And if you go with a group, stay with your group.
Yeah.
What be wrong with y'all? I'm not going home with nobody
that I just met in the club.
Absolutely not.
In the club.
In the club, we are not all fam.
We are not all
We're not.
fam.
We're not.
I don't trust nobody. That's the thing. I will gladly admit it. I don't trust people in the public. I trust my little friend group. And that's it. If I meet somebody in the club, it's going to take you at least 7 to 10 business days before I even entertain anything separate. So, I I gotta do a full background check on you, homie. My sister gonna get these two if my kids don't kill them before she get here. But, baby, at the end of the day, stay safe. Stay with your friends. I know some of y'all are younger than me. Some of y'all are older than me. But if you're going out, be safe. They still got people out here putting these napkins and stuff on your door knobs and putting them papers under your windshield wipers that might have stuff on it.
It's a red tie.
Yeah.
On the suitcase.
A red tie on the suitcase. That's a new thing?
Red ribbon.
Oh. Oh.
I think it's like the trafficking thing or something.
Oh.
Yeah.
Girl, see? My child be putting me up on game. I ain't going nowhere no time soon with no suitcase.
Oh, I am.
Well, I said me. I ain't say you. Please try to traffic me.
No.
Try it if you want. Baby. The thought of that just made me laugh right out loud. I'm sorry.
You're horrible.
Like, what we finna do with her? But laugh and kiki. I'm gonna put the link in the description box.
But
Description box.
no, I'm sleeping.
For real. Go get these. They are delicious. Make them in an egg roll. Make them in a burrito. Make them in a taco. Make them in some ramen.
You think
Ramen.
yeah, we did that.
Yeah.
You think Chipotle could not?
Chipotle could never. No. Stick to what you know. All right. We gonna say these for my sister. I love y'all. And first of all, thank y'all so much for y'all support. 2025. We out here grinding, baby. We grinding. We trying to get it in. We trying to get all these contents out. Please check out my review bag I'm in chat right now. It's a lot of review content coming out. She in her bag. If y'all got products y'all want me to try and y'all want to send them to me, go ahead. Send them. I'll try it. All right, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Official Jamie. That was Dark and Lovely, a.k.a. Neighborhood Nail Gal. Y'all go check out her latest video. Her birthday coming up. Her birthday coming up, y'all. I was finna tell the people that her Amazon link will be in the description. She get on my nerves. I was finna say that. I was finna say it without you knowing. Dang. You stupid. Amazon link will be in the description box. She about to be 19, y'all. I don't like it. It's okay, though. I'm gonna be alright. That wine gonna get drank that day. Oh, Jesus. I'm playing.
12 years from now.
I'm playing.
It's actually...
To my ride or dies who've been rocking with me for these 4 years. It's been 4 years, girl. We're going to do an anniversary video because I'm way late. But TJ...
all them packages. Can't even get on the couch.
My dog can't get on the couch because his packages... Don't come for me in the comments, Red. I'm going to move my stuff so he can get on the couch. It's another couch over there, too. Don't do me. To my ride or dies, y'all know what time it is. Welcome, Ursher and the new people. Ursher and me. Tell them welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I said that right? Probably did. I love you, and ain't nothing you can do about it. I see y'all in the next video. Bye.